Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make Moin Moin Elewe the traditional way, and we'll be using palm oil instead of sunflower oil or vegetable oil. So come along with me and let's do this together. For our Moin Moin Elepo, because we'll be using palm oil for our Moin Moin, not the normal sunflower oil or the vegetable oil we use, and we are using leaves. That is why it is called Moin Moin Elewe Elepo. Leaves, beans. This is my beans. I didn't peel it. I bought the one that has been peeled. I just washed, then I soaked, and this is the end result. You can peel your beans if you want to. I have fish, I have liver. I cooked the liver and I diced eggs, onions, knorr. I have Tatase, rodo. I have stock from the beef I cooked, and I have palm oil. So what I'll be doing now is I will blend the beans with the Tatase and the rodo and onions together using the stock from the beef I cooked to blend it. Then I'll come back to show you what we are going to do next. So what I'll be doing now, I'll take 2 of these knorr cubes, put them in warm water. You can use hot water if you want. Scorch, then I'll pour it in. I've already used the stock I got from the beef I cooked. Then this is our palm oil. Remember, we are doing Moin Moin Elepo. Stir it in. Now what I'll be doing is I have oil here. I'll put the oil in my pot. You can skip this if you want to, but I don't want it to get burnt. Then I have some leaves here that are not all that useful, so I'll just put them on top of the fat and I'll take it away, because this will not allow it to be foldable if you don't take it out. This is good, so I'll put one like this. So I'm looking for cone shape. See it? First put it in your palm, then this, then fold over, roll it over, the excess folding. I hope you can see. So that you don't want any leakage, and you just fold it like this. Then you pour your Moin Moin mixture. Each time give it a mix, pour it in. This one is nice. Don't allow it to be too much, so that when you are folding over there is no leakage. The egg, the fish and the liver. Then see it, press it together to seal it. 1, folding 1, 2, just continue to roll. 3, then the 4th one overlap it, and that is it. So I will do everything like that. Now Moin Moin ready. So I'll just put water. We don't need too much water in Moin Moin. We just need the steam. We'll dip to the bottom of the pot. With the steam. Nothing. Before this, let me put some leaves there. traditionally, that's what we do. We put some leaves that are not useful. So I'll cover with some leaves. Traditionally, this is what they do. I will now put the foil over the leaves. Because when the steam is locked in, the moin-moin get cooked on time. You see it now. All we do now is just cover it, and then lower the heat and allow it to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. But keep on checking. You will know when the water is no more there, because it will start making that dry, irritating sound that you will know that, oh, this moin-moin is about to get burnt. Also keep on checking and be careful when you are opening it because of the steam. Be very careful. Health and safety. Now let's check our moin-moin. It's been cooking for about 40 minutes or more. Low heat. Oh, now I have to be very careful because of the steam. See it. So nice. It's done, and I'll be serving it. You can see here the water is still there. So this is it. See, so neat. So that means there was no leakage. Oh. Beautiful, isn't it? So this will go with eko, ogi, bread, rice. When it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore. And as you explore, you discover, and as you discover, you enjoy. Like today, we have discovered how to really fold the leaves when it comes to making Moin Moin Elewe in a special way that there will be no leakage. And we can use palm oil instead of using the vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Or sometimes you can even mix them together, the vegetable oil and the palm oil together to make a nice Moin Moin. And that is how it is done traditionally. It's time for me to go and enjoy my Moin Moin Elewe. I'm going to have mine with pap. Oh. What are you going to have yours with? Leave your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you have not by pressing on the subscribe button, and don't forget to press on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Till next time, bye.